all of you to this session regarding preparing ourselves and how to take care of our emotional and mental health in the current time of pandemic. Today is the third session and we have with us Rashmi Malhotra. Rashmi is a practicing biography consultant, counselor, and transformation coach driven by a passion for working with individuals and groups to gain clarity, confidence, and understanding. She has been working with clients with an objective of enabling them live their daily life with ease and joy, to find their way forward and consciously develop strategies to walk the path joyfully. This has been driven by her desire to move to something deeper, which brings a more transformative change, combining psychology with mindfulness and spirituality in a scientific, practical way. Her clientele includes CEOs, entrepreneurs, professionals, teachers, and students. As the coronavirus pandemic rapidly sweeps across the world, it is inducing a considerable degree of fear, worry, and concern in the population at large. Added to the fear of contracting the virus in a pandemic such as this, there are significant changes to our daily lives as our movements are restricted in support of efforts to contain and slow down the virus, faced with new realities of working from home, temporary unemployment, homeschooling of children, lack of physical contact with other family members, friends, and colleagues. It is important that we look after our mental as well as our physical health. Welcome, Rashmi Malhotra, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Savita. It's an honor to be here on this platform. And thank you so much to Weaving World Wellbeing and SMS India to be able to organize it for the larger public. I'm really grateful. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. To start with, my first question to you is, how do you say the current current strain of virus is different from the previous one? Please.
Okay. So I don't know about anything about the biological part of it, okay, to be honest. I will only talk about the psychological effect that it may have when we are not only talking about virus, but in all how when the wave happens, what are we going through, right? So we've already gone through two waves till now. Abhi tak, the waves have already affected us. We've experienced two set of lockdowns. Some of us have lost a lot of loved ones in the second wave, much more, and even in the first ones. So there's a lot of anxiety that's already present within us. There's also a lot of stress that was present within us. So it's like you start coming out of a trauma, you start coming out of a challenge, and suddenly the third challenge is right there. So even before we have completely recovered from our earlier space, from our comfortable space, or from our discomfort or stresses, and we are again facing another one. So that is one of the biggest challenges that we need to look at. And that's how this wave needs to be, it's good for us to be more mentally and emotionally prepared to handle it, because all of us are stressed about, if there's another lockdown, what do I do? I may know the drill, but do I love the drill? Most of us don't like the drill. Yeah, we go through it. We have to experience it. But do we really like being at home? No. We are social beings. We want to meet people. We want to go out. So all those restrictions are not very encouraging. So when we're going to face it again, it's not going to be comfortable. It's like if you're hit once, you don't want to be hit again. Even though you may know, oh, we have learned so much. I have grown spiritually. I've grown mentally. I may say all those things. But I don't want to get into a trauma or a stress again, right? So that is what is coming again for us. And therefore, because we know about the drill, we can also be a certain amount of better prepared to handle ourselves more mentally and emotionally, rather than running later to find out support, which may be needed in some cases and which is absolutely okay. But to prepare ourselves always helps. That's it.
Yeah. Okay, great. Absolutely. Can you tell us about what kind of mindset do we need to have to sail through these current challenges, and and what kind of activities we can undertake to strengthen our mindset?
Okay, so the two things that you talked about were mindset and activities, right? So one very important thing about mindset, which I want to bring in, is about acceptance. कि एंजाइटी होगी, थोड़ी बहुत एंजाइटी कहीं ना कहीं हमें, if I am getting an anxious, तो मुझे उसको accept करके चलना है कि there is there, it's there, it's no, I don't have to get hassled about why am I getting anxious. Most of us try to run away from all so-called negative emotions. We don't want to experience anxiety. We don't want to, that's the way these emotions are. But to certain amount of acceptance helps us become much more comfortable and at ease with these kind of situations, right? So अगर मुझे पता है कि मुझे थोड़ी सी anxiety हो रही है, and if I use right techniques or right methods, or if I get in touch with my counselor, I'll be able to help myself. Then if I do that, I would be able to deal with it much better than if I would say कि नहीं, I have to stay positive, क्योंकि ये एक मंत्र लेके हम सब चलते हैं, be positive, right? कि stay positive, आपको positive ही रहना है, but कोई भी positive है तो negative है तभी electricity current रहता है, simple, right? Otherwise it's not possible. All positive doesn't make anything work. Darkness है तभी sunlight की value है. 6 months जब sunlight रहती है तो शायद किसी को इतनी अच्छी नहीं लगती है. So same perspective से positivity तभी आपको एक्सपीरियंस होगी जब आप उस नेगेटिव को भी एक्सेप्ट करके चलेंगे. तो एंजाइटी आ रही है, गुस्सा आ रहा है, सी इट एज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ. ऑल्सो एक्सेप्ट कि वो औरों को भी आएगा, राइट? स्पेशली व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर किड्स. बच्चों को गुस्सा आ रहा है और उन्होंने एक टैंट्रम थ्रो किया तो वी आर लाइक हाउ कैन यू डू दैट, राइट? तो वो एक स्पेस क्या मैं दे सकती हूँ घर में जहाँ पे वो अलाउड है विद इन एक सर्टेन लिमिट्स, राइट? आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट वायलेंस और गेटिंग फिजिकल अब्यूज, बट एक सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ expression क्या हम allow कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे हैं, that is very, so that is, these are two things. So accept whatever you're experiencing, don't fight it. It's like आप जितना लड़ेंगे उतना difficult होगा उससे निकलना, right? जितना आप accept करेंगे वो एक feeling है, feeling is like beautifully how we see feelings is like water. The more you allow them to flow, the more they'll flow easily. The more you stop them, वहाँ काई जम जाती है और वो हमारी फिजिकल हेल्थ में कहीं ना कहीं नजर आता है. सो ये बहुत एक, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू सम इमेजेस टू कीप इट इन योर माइंड कि वो easily stay करे, right? So if you allow the water to flow, you see rivers flowing and they're so beautiful. You see water stuck in a pond and it's all kai and आप कहते हो इसका क्या करना, right? So just allow your emotions to flow. Anxious है, take a time out, that will help you. Next thing you asked me was strategies. So I'll talk about a few strategies, but I like to say one thing. These are more generic strategies which help all of us. हम सब human beings, हम सबको help होती है. Situation specific कई बार कुछ चीजें change होती हैं. मान लीजिए किसी के घर में कोई patient है, उसके लिए stress level बहुत high होगा vis-a-vis जिसके घर में कोई patient नहीं है और वो उससे deal कर रहा है. So, but these certain strategies will help even them, but they may need extra support, just to make it more clear. So one of the most important strategies that I feel really works is having your me time, right? No matter what, आप 24 घंटे साथ हैं और आपको जब मन आए आप फोन उठा के आधा घंटा अपने साथ बैठ जाते हैं, पर कॉन्शियसली आधा घंटा अपने लिए रखिए, क्योंकि इस पैंडेमिक के दौरान the first thing that has gone away is boundaries, right? There are no physical boundaries. ऑफिस भी घर पे आ गया है, स्कूल भी घर पे आ गया है, उन्हीं 3-4 कमरों में सब कुछ चल रहा है. और बच्चे जब मन आता है आपके पेरेंट्स कहते मम्मी ये चाहिए, एंड मम्मी इज लाइक मिडल ऑफ द वर्क गेटिंग अप डूइंग समथिंग, पापा ये करना है, उसी में बीच में काम चल रहा है. सो कोई भी फिजिकल बाउंड्री नहीं रही है. तो मेरी अपनी फेस स्पेस की डिमार्केशन नहीं है, एंड एज ह्यूमंस आई नीड दैट स्पेस. हम घर बनाते हैं, हम खुली छत खुले आसमान के नीचे सारे नहीं रहते हैं, अपने अपने छोटे छोटे घर बनाते हैं. तो हमें वो बाउंड्रीज चाहिए, राइट? कोई भी आपके बहुत ज्यादा करीब आ जाता है और आपको नहीं जानता है तो आपको लगता है मेरी बाउंड्री वायलेट हो रही है, दूर चलिए, राइट? So keep that boundaries. To keep that boundaries, have your me time. It is sacrosanct for all the members of the family, right? Stay with yourself. आप उस टाइम बेशक दरवाजा बंद करें, थोड़ी देर आपकी बालकनी है उसमें बैठे, बट उस वो आधा घंटा आपको कोई नहीं बुला सकता. एंड गिव इट टू अदर्स ऑल्सो. तो अगर कोई मांग किसी और का भी, फैमिली में सबका होना चाहिए. इस आधे घंटे में घर में कितना भी काम पड़ा हो वो वेट करेगा, क्योंकि ये उसका मी टाइम है. तो है, रिस्पेक्ट दैट. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड फॉर एवरीवन. सो you give some, you get some. Simple सी concept. Why it is important? Because it really nourishes you. It gives you that space to be with yourself, to be comfortable with yourself, right? It gives you that space. जो ध्यान की बात करी भावना ने, या जो ऋतु ने कर्म की बात करी, या अपने आप को अंडरस्टैंडिंग की बात करी, इंट्रोस्पेक्शन. It gives you time to connect with yourself. I don't have to do anything. I can just sit. I can just look at the sun. आजकल तो धूप सेकना सबसे अच्छा लगता है. I can just do that, but all that is required. The second part which really helps is take care of your physical health. Very important, right? Because the more physically fit you are, more mentally you'll be able to deal with a lot of things. Then the other strategy that we talk about is about journaling or writing. So it is a very good habit that people who know that who may get more anxious, or even if you don't, you just write. And when you're writing, no full stops, no commas, नो स्पेलिंग्स, इंग्लिश, हिंदी, गाली, कुछ भी चलेगा पेपर पे. मेरे को लिखना है क्योंकि मुझे उसको निकालना है. अगर मुझे अपने हस्बैंड पे गुस्सा आ रहा है तो मुझे उस पे खुंदक आ रही है, तो मुझे वहां निकालना है. क्योंकि अगर मैं उसको कहूंगी नहीं नहीं नहीं, he was trying to be good, he's trying to be helpful, बट वो मेरे अंदर गुस्सा तो है ना, तो अल्टीमेटली वो मैं कहीं ना कहीं तो निकालूंगी. नहीं करूंगी तो थोड़े दिन बाद अलग तरीके से मैं खा लूंगी. सो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो आई व्हेन आई कीप इट आउट, व्हेन आई टेक इट आउट, then it helps me deal with it. So that is something. And there are many more strategies which people will talk about in terms of meditation and keeping your phone aside for some time. All these help. They definitely help. I will not deny that. I'm just trying to add more new strategies for you so that there's something else that you can also take for yourself. Sleep is very, very important. The other thing, and I think one of the most important things, is keeping your sense of humor alive. Have some fun. ठीक है, फंस गए हैं कमरे में, पर हंसते हंसते भी निकाल लेंगे तो निकल जाएगा. बट अगर टेंशन में निकालेंगे, ओहो आज मेरा घर उतना नहीं चमक रहा जितना चमकता है, तो कैसे चलेगा? तो वो आपका एक स्ट्रेस लेवल बढ़ेगा. आज मैंने बिल्कुल वैसे उतनी एक्सरसाइज नहीं करी जितनी मुझे करती हूँ, तो वो एक स्ट्रेस लेवल बढ़ेगा. हैव सम फन, हैव सम जॉय इन लाइफ. हंसिए छोटी छोटी बातों पे. बहुत मुश्किल से मिलती है, बट हंसना बहुत जरूरी होता है. सो and that makes things easy for us. तो हंसते खेलते निकल जाता है. बट अगर वही हम स्ट्रेस, I mean, I remember a situation where we were coming back on a train journey and a couple of friends were there with us. It was very stressful. Train was delayed by 12 hours. We had to reach this place. We reached in 48 hours, 36 to 48 hours. There are a couple of friends here, yahi the. But because we were laughing and smiling and trying to be together, it became much more easier to deal with. तो थोड़ा हंसते खेलते टाइम निकालने में अच्छा रहेगा. So these are few things that can be added. If there are any particular questions, I'll be very happy to take them. Definitely.
Great. My last question to you is that how do we decipher for ourselves? हम ये कैसे समझे कि ये मी टाइम या मेडिटेशन या फिजिकल फिटनेस इससे भी काम नहीं चल रहा है, and that we need to consult a psychologist or a specialist or an expert when we are dealing with this kind of disturbed mental health? How do we decipher?
Okay, very important question, Savita, I must say. So I will add a perspective to it. Okay, I have some clients who've been clients at certain times and now contact me when they have some kind of challenge or they are facing some kind of anxieties, and they may, we may meet for 1 or 2 sessions and then they'll again go on their own journey, right? That I'm feeling relaxed. So ye hum logo ka ek wo, there are some people who definitely need a long term space, right? But there are sometimes you need कि इस सिचुएशन से थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स हो जाए तो मैं खुद हैंडल कर लूंगी, राइट? हम सबकी एक फीलिंग होती है, इसमें थोड़ा सा सपोर्ट आ जाए तो मैं खुद हैंडल कर लूंगी. be scared to reach out even for that small space or that small help, right? If you are in touch with your counselor or your coach or your support system, they may know how to help you in that particular space. They may not really provide you with solutions, but they'll be able to give you that support where you can find that solution. And that may not need so much time. So a constant level पे support रखना अच्छा रहता है. Just like you have your friends, just like you have your doctor जिसको हम फोन उठा के बात करते हैं, वैसे ही feel free to have a counselor जिनसे आप in touch रहते हैं कि आपको जब जरूरत हो आप एक सेशन बुक करें, बात कर लें, रिलैक्स कर लें, एक या दो सेशंस में आपकी बात हो जाए. एटलीस्ट एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट तो आपको मिल जाता है. और किन सिचुएशंस में जहां भी आपको लगे, मैं इसकी जो एनालॉजी लेती हूँ वो रबर बैंड की लेती हूँ. जब हम रबर बैंड स्ट्रेच करते हैं तो थोड़ा सा करते हैं, फिर हमें लगता है नहीं और भी चीजें एडजस्ट हो सकती हैं, थोड़ा और करते हैं, तो हम वेट करते हैं कि जब रबर बैंड या तो वो अपनी स्ट्रेंथ खो देता है या वो टूट जाता है, राइट? सो डोंट वेट फॉर दैट रबर बैंड टू ब्रेक, because then you are heading for a much bigger trouble. Then you may need medication also. Then you need much more support. If you see कि rubber band stretch हो रहा है, my sleep is getting affected, I'm getting anxious, मेरा बच्चा आके सिर्फ ये पूछ रहा है मामा ये है, and I'm like get lost. बोल नहीं रही हूँ हाँ जी बेटा है, अंदर से जोर से गुस्सा आ रहा है यार डैडी निकलो बाहर. You know, as simple as that. So जब भी अंदर से अलग frustration आने शुरू हो गई है वो, तो it is an indicator that be aware कहीं ना कहीं वो rubber band extra stretch हो रहा है, right? Whether I need to talk to a friend, whether I need to go beyond a friend, friend से बात करके भी relax नहीं महसूस हो रहा है, उतना effort नहीं आ रहा है, या बहुत momentary relax है, वो एक emotional steam थी वो less हो गई है, but वो चल रहा है, तो उसको मैं कैसे deal करूँ? So I can always look at that, you know. So your sleep getting affected, your emotional, getting a lot of mood swings and getting a lot of frustration is there, or you are not able to even get up, you don't want to do anything, you don't want to live a productive day. Once in a while, all of us want to chill in our blankets, ठंडा है, but आप करना ही नहीं चाह रहे हैं, या आपसे अंदर से ही नहीं हो रहा है, आप करना चाह रहे हैं पर अंदर से नहीं हो रहा है. बहुत लोग होते हैं जो हमें बोलते हैं कि मैं करना चाहती हूँ, मैं एक्सरसाइज करना चाहती हूँ पर अंदर से नहीं हो रही है, तो प्रॉब्ली वहाँ सपोर्ट की जरूरत है जो मुझे हेल्प करेगी कि मैं उससे बाहर आ जाऊँ. So उस केस में you don't have to go for very long term sessions, you can even go for shorter time frame to meet your. So that is, I personally feel in present time and day, your counselor has become more like a general practitioner. General physician होता था पहले, हम जिसको सब पता होता था. It's become more like that. To stay in touch with it really helps. That is definitely there. I hope I have answered that, Savita. Please do let me know in case I haven't.
Yes, yes. One thing I could gather is that when your symptoms are over a period of time, that is one. And to take note, let us take note of those symptoms. Okay, and there's no harm. We must be ready and willing to take support. Okay.
Can I add one line here?
Yes, sure, sure.
So symptoms in terms of my sleep getting affected, my emotions getting affected, they definitely. What I'm also trying to add here is कि don't wait for them to get more severe. कि नहीं मैं deal कर लूंगी, नहीं मैं deal कर लूंगी, right? मैं तो इसका बहुत simple example देती हूँ. जब हमें help मिलती है तो हम house help भी रखते हैं ना. जब पूरा Google और Wikipedia हमारे medicine के answers देता है तो भी हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं. तो छोटी सी काउंसलर से हेल्प लेने में क्यों हिचके, राइट? अगर वो मुझे एक बहुत बड़ा पुश दे सकता है आगे बढ़ने के लिए, तो व्हाई नॉट डू इट? सो दैट इज हाउ आई सी इट एंड आई रेकमेंड.
Wow, wow, absolutely, ma'am. Excellent thoughts, very deep thoughts. With this, we come to the conclusion of today's session. It was a truly wonderful session. To sum it all, let's practice self-care strategies. Let's prioritize them. Self-care strategies are good for our mental and physical health and can help us take charge of our lives. Take care of your body, take care of your mind, make efforts for reducing stress triggers, connect with others, build support, strengthen relationships, recognize what's typical, as ma'am said in the last question, and what's not typical, and get help when you need it. Within World's Wellbeing and SMS India Foundation thank all our viewers for attending all our sessions We look forward to each one of us weaving world's well-being and contributing to the enhanced well-being quotient of the world. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for inviting me to this platform. And again, a huge gratitude.
Any questions?
Most welcome. Please do.
जी रश्मि, मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि आपने जो भी अनुभव लिया हुआ है अपने जीवन में क्लाइंट्स के साथ डील करते हुए या ट्रॉमास के साथ डील करते हुए लोगों के, तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी कि कुछ है आपके पास ऐसा डेटा जिसमें आप ये बोल सकें कि एज वाइज जो होता है, फॉर एग्जांपल कि क्या जो यंग लोग हैं या जो बच्चे हैं या जो बूढ़े हो गए या जो अभी हैं, सो क्या इसमें डिफरेंस आता है कि किसको कितना टाइम लगता है, कि इट्स नॉर्मल कि डिपेंड्स कि कितना टाइम लगता है?
So, thank you
My
so much for, no, I am absolutely clear. Thank you so much for that question. So, I won't say age is the only criteria, right? Resilience factor की हम बात करते हैं कि किस में कितनी resilience है और